Forgot your X password? How to recover your Twitter account fast. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your X account password if you forgot it. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's start by opening the X app. Once it's open, tap on Add Another Account to begin the recovery process. Next, X will show you several sign-in options. You may see options to continue with Google or Apple, but for this tutorial, we're going to recover the account using a username, phone number, or email address. I recommend using your username if you still remember it, because that's usually the easiest option. Type your username into the box and continue to the next step. Now, X will ask for your password. Since we don't remember it, tap on Forgot Password at the top right corner of the screen. After that, X will ask how you want to receive your recovery information. Depending on your account settings, you may see your email address, phone number, or both. Choose the option you still have access to. In most cases, X will send a verification code to your email address or phone number. Now, leave the app for a moment and open your email inbox or messages. Find the verification code sent by X and type that code back into the app. Once the code is verified, X will allow you to create a brand new password. Make sure you choose something secure, but also easy for you to remember in the future. After resetting your password, X may ask if you want to enable a passkey or Face ID login. This makes logging in much faster and more secure, especially on iPhone devices. I also recommend saving your new password somewhere safe so you don't forget it again later. And that's basically how you can reset and recover your X account password if you forgot it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.